Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about 5 months to the CAT exam. So from today, starting from today, we have got exactly 5 months remaining for the exam. Yeah, a lot of people might be saying less time, this, that. No, we have time. So you got November ka month, October ka month, September, August, July. So you got exactly 5 months, complete 5 months with us for the CAT exam. So in fact, even if you start tomorrow, which is start today, which is 17th. So we got one more 10 more days. So exactly 160 days if I'm starting today for the CAT exam. Yep. So in this video, we'll talk about the complete study plan. Can I do it? Can I no do it? So first of all, during this coronavirus, everyone is feeling low. The complete nation is feeling low. And this is the right time to enter the exam because most of people are not in the competition. Yeah, that's the advantage you'll have. Trust me. Yeah. So this let's plan it out now. So first thing first is the books. Yeah, for example, you can go for the red book. You can pick up any books. Target to complete the books in next 3 months. So June, July, August, September. So 3 months you need for that. So we got June ka 15 days, July, August end. So target should be to complete your syllabus by August end or maybe September 15th. Those are starting today. Those who have joined us earlier or those who already started the preparation, you can complete the syllabus beforehand. So August 30 sounds like a very good target to complete everything. Yep. And then I can give more mocks. I can strategize myself after that. So in other words, 3 months, let's divide the preparation into parts. So 3 months, I'm going to work hard, July till August, and then September, October, November. These 3 months, September, October, November, I want to focus on maximizing my score. Yeah, by giving more mocks, giving more tests. That's your pointer number one. By books, I mean complete your syllabus, complete your basics as well. Yeah. So this phase I wanted to complete. Exam point of view, we have all the exams. We have NMET exam, we have CAT, we have SNAP, ZAT, and CET exam. We have a lot of exams coming up. So obviously can't give all the exams. You should target 3-4 exams. So I think CAT and ZAT are two main exams you can target. And if you focus mainly on the non-CAT exam, so SNAP and CET. These four exams are kind of a main exam you can target because there are a lot of B schools under that. IFT is one college, NMET is one college. Okay, so if you're giving these four exams, they kind of cover up maximum exams possible. Okay, then move to the test. So we talked about the books, we talked about the completing basics. So August 30 is kind of a deadline for you. Then I want you to give as many tests as possible. So for that, we have this weekly timetable. If you can follow this weekly timetable, that's what it, because there's too much to be done here on the yearly basis. So I want you to focus on the weekly target. So I can complete everything on the week by week basis. So go to cetking.com/weekly, cetking.com/weekly. I've given this week's target. You can complete those target for this week. Okay. And this is going to be our target setting for the exam. So my target for you is 95 percentile. That's the major milestone you can have. 95 percentile, if you look at here, is basically 120 marks out of 300. Only 40% marks, 40 question correct out of 100 if you can get, that is 95 percentile. You are definitely going to get the IIM call. Yeah, the day you get 95 percentile, we'll move the target to 150. Okay, so these are the three target setting: 100, 120, 150. Yeah, those are starting today. Maybe we can target from 50 marks, then 80, then 100. For example, you scored only 40 marks. In the first mock, I got 31. Yeah, my first target should be to get 50. Not today, not tomorrow, in the next 1 month. Month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5. So I can easily achieve my target of getting 99 percentile if I start ASAP. Okay, so this is your target. Yes, along with this, from July 1 at CETK, we are launching our shortcuts, advanced level shortcuts of CAT level. Maximum coaching classes talk about the shortcut or advanced workshops in November, October, November. Guys, October, November, if I'm introducing you to the DI games, DILR, logic based DILR, it will be too late. You have to be aware of all these things from day one. So we're starting off with this thing from July 1. Yeah, from July 1, basic and advanced will go together. So that from now only, July, August, September, October, November, for the complete 5 months, I'm prepared for this advanced level. Or at least I'm aware of कि CAT में क्या आने वाला है. Yes. During this journey, we'll identify the weak area as well. Normally, weak area will identify after trying. For example, lot of people tell me logs is my weak area. Yeah. Okay, great. Logs is a weak area, but have you solved logs? नहीं सर, मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया. So without trying, how can you say that it's a weak area? Okay. And then come our strategy. So today at 12 p.m. I'm going to go live. So we are going to talk about our strategy for the month of July. Yeah, June, what you have done, and target setting for the next 1 month. Yeah, so I conduct this kind of a board meeting. So today is going to be our board meeting in which we'll take a stock. आपने लास्ट 1 मंथ में क्या किया है और अगले नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ में क्या करने वाले हो फॉर कैट एग्जाम अदर एग्जाम्स and in case you want to join us for the e-classes or you already have joined us, we are going to focus on the e-classes. So this is going to be our plan. So let's divide the plan into parts. So August 30 is part 1. Yeah. And then November ka exam. And the moment CAT is over, we'll focus on the non-CAT exam. So right now we are in phase 1, doing the basics, everything. Phase 2, we're going to revise everything, go for a more advanced level, give more mocks, and then we'll move to phase 3 for the non-CAT exam. So in case you want to join us, we have the red book for the phase 1, the lavender books for the phase 2, and the black books for the phase 3. So in case you want to join us, you can join us for the program. In the description box, I'm giving the numbers where you can call us for this thing. So set up your target. Yeah, I want the date with you. So those who started early, you can complete everything early. Okay. So let's set up the target and you can easily do that. These are your target numbers which you have to achieve. Yeah, 95 percentile, 99 percentile, 90 percentile, depending on your category. If you're from the reserved category, go to cetking.com/reserved R. I have uploaded the cutoff videos for all the category students. So you can check out the category wise what is going to be the cutoff for the IIMs. Alright, so all the best. Trust me, you can do it. Yeah, 5 months is more than sufficient time. Okay, so today 12 p.m. if you have any question regarding the timetable and all, I can pick it up at that time. Okay, all the best.